Huli ka, Balbo.
No, no, no. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Hindi pa rin magbabago isip ko, boss. Sabi siguro na ito, baliwatag ko ah.
What the hell?
Para nangangut yan eh.
Nope.
Sabi siguro na ito, baliwatag to eh. Ay, hindi pa rin magbabago isip ko pa rin. Nahuli pa rin kita. Lago. Ito naman kailangan ko eh. Binitawan mo agad. Hindi ka na sana nasaktan. Yun lang naman talaga kailangan ko, guys eh. Ay, magandang bakbakan niya. Ay, tuloy yan, Zoro. Ito, niligtas na nga kita. Uy.
Airdrop incoming. Release the smoke perspective.
Puro kaamba.
The revived flight will arrive.
Ito din, puro ka lang suko.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Sino mo? Ala! Ale! Ale! Sige! Ay, dudugtag mo, dudugtag mo.
What the hell?
Ano yun? Lag ako? Uy! Uy naman, sana.
Airdrop has been delivered. Release the smoke perspective. Airdrop incoming.
Ano yun? Naglag pa ako!
Watch out. K9 unit incoming.
Ano ba mo tuloy-tuloy mo, boss? Nakita kita, oh.
Watch out. K9 unit.
Ito ba? Kaka-ER ko lang sa'yo. ER ka naman ng tao. ER ka ba ng ibang tao, boss? Ayun na, nakita ko na in person.
The last revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Condition. Doon tayo nadali pa rin.
Airdrop.
Buti boy pa rin. Kala ko nadali na. Ang bira lang. Huwag ka naman makapag-cooperate. Toy, PLDT, makipag-cooperate ka naman. I will win this game with effortless movement. The sniper is here.
Smoke perspective. Airdrop is delivered.
Ano, baby boy? Holy dance. Oh, stop. There is no enemy. Oh. My friend. Just chill. So, meron pa magduo na kalaban, guys. Panalo na natin to. Ayun lang mag-isa. Nakikita ko siya, okay? Let me throw this thing. And this thing. And this thing also. Okay? Watch, my friend. I'll be using my luck. Oh, the enemy is missing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I ask myself, what am I doing here? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And as far as I can see, I just need privacy. There's a whole lot of shit, fuck all this modesty. I just need space to do me, get aware what they're trying to see. A Stella Maxwell right beside of me. A Ferrari, I'm buying 3. A closet of Saint Laurent, get what I want when I want, cause this hunger is driving me, yeah.
Grabe na yung mga tsamba natin, guys, no? Pag may nanonood na taga ibang bansa ba, grabe yung tsamba ko.